Hello and welcome to another day in the spotlight, made brighter by MTN Pulse. Singene saphuma, sehla sanyuka. We have been up the mountains, down the valleys, across the rivers, and through the sugarcane fields in search for Eswatini's next superstar. Contestants came in from far and wide with their high notes and rap bars. Out of the thousands of hopefuls, we are down to 68 contestants who made it past the auditions into the elimination stage. Now, each one of the 68 contestants can rest assured knowing one thing for sure. They can sing and they can rap. The yellow ticket they received at the auditions was validation from our judges and industry experts. So now the question is, can they sing or rap their way to the top? And the journey starts right now. The judges have been amazing throughout the auditions, but now they have the monumental task of cutting down from 68 yellow ticket holders to our top 30 finalists, which we will then hand over to you, Babugele Makaya, kuthi nibavotele for them to progress to the next stage in the competition. You will vote and vote and vote again and vote one more time after that until we have only one contestant remaining on the spotlight, who will drive away in a brand new Kia Picanto, a record deal, and 1 year's bragging rights as the person who's got what it takes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to once again introduce to you the judging panel that has been entrusted with the power to help us select Eswatini's next superstar. Let me start by saying, I like you guys.
Okay.
But I do not want to be you now.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the managing director of Platinum Concepts Events, Mr. Kulegane Kalipi Mamba. How you doing, boss?
Lovely.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Here we are.
Ish.
Yeah.
The hours came.
All right. Aish, in this case, is a full sentence.
Yeah.
It's okay. All right. Right next to him is singer, songstress, songwriter, music teacher, Miss Vilimseni.
That is all right.
How you doing, girl?
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah. How do you feel about the contestants? You've seen them. You've interacted with them. Their energy. What are your thoughts?
Like, honestly, now we're starting to develop relationships with the contestants.
Of course.
So it's getting really hot in this room, I must
Absolutely.
say. In this seat.
Like I said, I'm better over here than over there.
Right.
All right. And then lastly, we have the managing director of Mosul Media, also music producer and artist, manager and developer, Mr. Ndumiso Dlamini. Mlange. Yeah, Sekshubi.
I guess true.
Yeah. This competition is supposed to get easier, but it
gets tougher.
It gets tougher.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are your sentiments about today? What are you looking forward to?
Well, today it's really separating the finer from the finest.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it's going to be a interesting one.
All right.
Yeah.
Definitely. So, Nyadvelage Babugele Makaya, the judges are ready. They are looking forward to separating the finer from the finest. The judges are ready. The contestants are ready. I am ready. Get ready as we put them on the spotlight, where we are cutting down from the 68 yellow ticket holders to our top 30 right here on the spotlight.
Hey, hello, Eswatini. This is your boy Madota Sbanza, aka Oxygen, and I'm back again. I'm back again as contestant number 1 this time and not number 2, like y'all guys know. Anyways, I'm about to go in there and kill it. I hope. I hope I make it through. I really hope I make it through. But I'm going to see y'all at the top 30. Started in the basement. All we was fighting for was placement, development. Now I ain't afraid to call us made men. They said we would never make it in this game, man. No Bible, but when I drop verses, I hear amen. Motto is no half step in. All in like them 3 stripes is what I'm stepping in. High as you wanna. I levitate but keep it. Oh, say she wanna kiss me, now she grabbing her stilettos. Oxy take it deeper than bone marrow. Live to pierce the bullseye, no bow and arrow. High but when I spit it's like the AC on, cause to cold it's OXYGEN. Me now they drop in their pants. Elevator flow, you taking the stairs. And life is a ball cause I'm walking in, I'm J Bears. Nice, like Easter decorations. Silence speaks volumes, man, I hear congratulations. Whoever thought that I'd blow up like an airbag? Smash grab is what I'm doing to this game, man. Flip the script with only 2 fingers, yellow pages, then I speak the truth only. Hurt by all ages. Yes, I say I've made it, but that's after 3 stages. Find yourself feeling right, then you hit the stages. Yep, I keep going like I'm solar powered, strength from above. Flex the nigga, I just do it like I can do it. Rough season, everything, and I just sail through it. No stress, no rules, no quitting, no games, no fakes, no worries, no faults, no tears, no time lost, no extra sauce. Some girls I might have lost, but either way I say no problem.
Tata nansi nhliziyo ya Tata naluthando ngolwakho Tata nansi nhliziyo ya Uzuyiphathe njengeqanda Sithando ndenze ngabo Ndiyasithandela apha kuwe Babe ndenze ngabo Hey ngicela undive nana Ndikuthandile sithando sam Ngenhliziyo yami yonke Ndithi uthandwe ndinalo soze luphele.
The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. Oh, we could have had it all. Oh, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your hand. Oh, but you played it to the beat. Yes, you played it, you played it, you played it. You played it to the beat.
Mbali, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Wow, well, there's Mbabane, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I have a feeling when you chose this outfit, it was a conscious thing.
Yes,
right?
it really was.
What vibe were you giving?
I was giving out sass.
Yeah.
Yeah, type of sass and
Yes.
like kind of getting me into the atmosphere of the song. Yeah.
Thank you. That was my lesson for the day, right? Everything is projecting what you're singing about.
Exactly.
From your clothes
Yeah.
to your voice and your
That's so
performance.
true.
I'm really proud of you.
Awake in the morning, I'm running for money and I feel it like gold, they say. They call me Gaddafi, Christina, the king, and I feel it like I say. We don't need no blood, Tina, see what Zuga's band, they say. Can you piggy part, see what Zuga's on their pants, they say. Hey, him peeling, see me say. Mama told me that I'm proud, they say. I've been prodding every day, they say. We been putting strings, we push up on the spot, I see when say push up on the spot, push up on the spot, I see when say push up on the spot, push up on the spot, I see when say push up on the spot, push up on the spot, I see when say.
Yes.
Hey, he beating to me say, Mama told me that I'm right, say. I've been grinding every day, say. We been putting strings, but I pray to the God to give me the light and I'm selling myself to the breeze. I'm proud to call all these homies, I'm living the life and I'm earning some G's. Living life like a king, you I'm the king. I'm putting myself in the ring and I got all this on me. I've been winning like in all these streets. All these people tell me that I'm bouncing like I'm ripping. There's no worry because I had to suffer for so many decades. Oh Lord, I've been praying. It's an
The skies of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the but you played it to the beat. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it to the beat. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrows into treasured gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. You're gonna wish you never ever met me. Yes. You're gonna wish you never ever met me. You're gonna wish you never ever met me. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it to the beat.
Thatha nansi inhliziyo yami, thatha naluthando lolwakho, thatha nansi inhliziyo yami, uzuyiphathe njengeqanda, sandwa nesingabo, ndiyasithandela pha kuwe. Babe, singabo, ongicela undifendanga, ndikuthandile sithandwa sami, ngenhliziyo yami yonke, ndisho uthandwe ndinalo, soze luphele.
Uzokhumbula mhla kuphela amandla. I wonder what's life with no dreams, no aspirations. It's nothing compared to living a life with no meaning. See, I wonder if life was a dream with no purpose. It's like we're stuck in our feet, there's no progress. Now imagine life without all its twists and turns. It feels like rap life without all those beefs and turkeys. We get ourselves stuck in the past, there's no future. It's sort of like being stuck in a class with no tutor. Have you ever lived a life based on people's values and you let fear be affected to your troubles, getting bullied for your actions, full shame for your choices, people messing with your head, can't even bear all those noises? Did you know things change from worse to better and great? Sometimes life gets strange from deep to bottom and straight. They say pain cuts deeper when you live with regrets, and the grass gets greener to the side of the lane. Shout out to the strugglers that are trying the best, cause nothing comes easy, get a strive for success. They be struggling, hustling, don't know what is next, but they appreciate life with the little they have. Look, I've been there, I've seen that. But who will carry all your burdens? When the going gets tough. It's sad cause but when the going gets tough, as we dance the night away, boy, your lips taste like a night champagne. Was it cause you again, 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 again? Everybody asks me why I'm We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it to the beat.
Thank you.
Dawami, Dawami, Indawami, Indawami, hey, to a place where there's no conformity. Hey, to a place where there's no conformity.
Thank you.
The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Oh, we could have had it all. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call. When I need you, baby, everything snaps. Finally, you put my love on top. Ooh, ooh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Ooh, ooh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one I see a fall. You're the one I can always call. When I need you, baby, everything stops. Finally, you put my love on top.
Listen, Southside rap the best. Who can survive a desert eagle pointed at his chest? Bang, bang, check on your ballistic vest. Kim Jong on your face, that's a missile blast. Get it? A surprise to a lot of people. They never thought I could so high like an eagle. So high like John Legend, the sequel. So high, I see God as an equal. I pray to God that I stay true to my people. I know that they got my back, I can feel it in my cerebral. And I've been criticized for having the biggest mouth. Or because I say the things y'all dream about. I dream about moving my mama to a bigger house and having so much money that money's nothing to worry about. Just think about it. We've been told that money is the root of evil, yet we can't get through the week without it. Look, these are the things that we should speak about, the issues that we face and how cops are shooting on teachers now. Look, I know I'm getting defensive now. Kids can't even play outside when it's election time. And how you gonna represent the nation when you know nothing about the Constitution? It's just basic foul. Kids missing and ritual killings by future cabinet members. To hell with your superstition now. Look, I'm not even a politician now, boy, but I hope my opinion counts. Why? Cause it's not a crime having a voice. Why? Cause it's not a crime having a voice. Impossible is nothing with God on my side. I love him and praise him with all I got, and the Holy Spirit will thrive. And I don't know why I'm infatuated with winning. Material things are bleak when your soul is the only prize, right? And so I put it all on his spotlight, ayy. Shooting for the stars and I shine bright, ayy. And even if I lose, I will make sure that I'm better than the next rapper to step up to the spot. Gone.
Zimabo Ndiasithandela apha kuwe ey oh andenzimabo ngicela undive dana oh ndikuthandile sithandwa sam ngenhliziyo yami yonke ngitsho uthandwe ndinalo soze luphele uthatha umphefumulo wami thulisile ebusuku nemini ndiphupha ngawe
ngithi angicale ngekubonga kulomzala wethu insuku lohlala sigcinile showcase imini nebusuku ligama lakhe uNkulunkulu uhlala emafini phethulu umukhulu babe kwendlula bokhokho nabomkhulu bese cela inhlakanipho levela lapho phethulu dibusiso babe kithi utehlise njengelitulu uyinkosi yemakhosi baba uphethe netikhulu kucala kuhlakanipha kumesaba uNkulunkulu okay lababalekela kuwe babe bayalonzeka kube kuya ngami vele ngabe bayasonzela batotfola injabulo kanye nekukhululeka ngekwethemba lokukhulu vele bato senziseke kuguleni nasekufeni sathana utojapiseka
I have fears, you have fears too. I will die, but you self gon' die too. Life is beautiful, don't you think so too, Mr. Jailer? I'm talking to you, Jailer. Stop calling me a prisoner. Let he who is without sin be the first to cast the stone, Mr. Jailer.
Many now will know my name. You listen closely to the bars and you could feel my pain. Thanks to the love I'm now getting, feel like I run this game. If I'm the only one of my kind, then I'm the sign of the times. I could be the Messiah, but easy, the Antichrist, cause I embody the fears of what they don't understand. I'm like a cradle of wisdom sent to play with your head. Insist control of your thoughts and your physical shell. And I ain't planning to stop till my name is rocking the bell. Spitting primordial bars to lock the planet in a cage. Bro, I'm armed to the teeth with this metaphysical words. What man fails out of fear, the wolf achieves out of loyalty. Angels reading my rhymes from the scrolls of the apocalypse. Dog, I can never die. That's the best way I can close this. Psych, I strike like lightning from the hands of Odin. Feel the thunder in my voice and behold I am potent. I keep my heart at world's end cause nobody can go there. The last of a dead breed MCs like me are so rare. I should do a sequel, call it Hip Hop is So Dead. One love to the fathers and a name drop for Cool Herc. Cause I'd probably be dead if he ain't scratched that break. I can't think of another way I could have handled the stress. I am Jalil Nagas, realized that there's a household name thanks to the spotlight. Many now will know my name. You listen closely to the bars and you could feel my pain thanks to the love I'm now getting. Feel like I run this game.
Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one that always calls. When I need you, everything stops. Finally, you put my love on top. Baby, cause you're the one that I love. Baby, you're the one that I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one that always calls. When I need you, make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top.
And you know I walk the walk, nightly walk from BS to the best, hustle hard. I got passion in my veins, a gift I cannot put away, so every time I rap, you know that I go hard. I would love to laze around all day, but I ain't never seen a time that I got someone straight. So many 9 to 5s, but I wasn't paid. It started feeling like my pockets were throwing me shade. Yeah, it gets deep, I know you know it gets deep. Deeper than the abyss where nobody can reach. Deep till you're sick to your stomach, you can't eat. Deep till you tossing and turning, you can't sleep. But I'ma be the last man standing or die trying. If I forget a verse, I freestyle it. So deep I couldn't even bite it. So deep that if you throw a beat on it, you could deep fry it. Go ahead and try it, I'm finger licking good. Spit, spur, rib sauce, I'm never in the hood. I'm always in all fours, I'm at my dog, never on all fours.
Tulisile, tathi inhliziyo mi tulisile, ngikuthanda ngikuthandile sithandwa sami baby baby ngenhliziyo yami yonke bheka uthando enginalo for wena baby soze luphele ngoba ngikuthandile sithandwa sami.
And finally you put me first, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one I always call. When I need you, everything stops. Finally, you put my love on top. Ooh, ooh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Ooh, ooh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. Hey, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only thing I see. Baby, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one I always call. When I need you, baby, everything stops. Finally, you put my love on top. The skies of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The skies of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand. And you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it with a beat.
Sipho Musa, can I ask you what the song is about?
This song is somehow about maybe an ex. Yes. Somewhere along the way, nakabana, and you're just sitting and thinking, actually, if we had made things work, discussion.
Yeah, well, the interpretation yako, it's not spot on, and I think for me, it felt like you weren't really connecting with the words of the song. Yeah, well, and unfortunately for you, we've heard it a few times, and they've knocked it out of the stadium, out of the the city. You know what I mean? So you have a great voice, and I'm sure now you know it, but just make sure you connect with the words you're singing about. Yeah. Okay. So read up on the lyrics, understand what exactly you're singing about. It's not a happy song, from my understanding. And when you look like you're having a good old time. Good old time. All right. Thank you, my love.
Thank you.
You suppress all my strategies. You oppress every part of me. What you don't know, you're a victim too, Mr. Jailer. You don't care about my point of view. If I die, another will work for you. Because you treat me like a modern slave, Mr. Jailer man. I'm talking to you, jailer. Stop calling me a prisoner. Let he is without sin be with a vest and cast their stone. Mr. Jailer, Mr. Jailer, man. I hear my baby say, I wanna be president. I want your money from my government. What you don't know, what you can't know, what you don't know. Jailer, jailer, whoa, we go, go, go. Somebody we go, go, go. Yeah, thank you.
And will always love you. I will always love you. You, my darling, you.
Can't live without you. Without you, Jesus. In you I live and move and have my being. Hosanna, yeah, to Jehovah. You are the air that I breathe. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, in you I live and move and have my being. Nothing without you, Lord. You are the air that I breathe. Ndiyasithandela kwakuwe ngithi kanezi nabanye mntanomuntu ndiyasithandela kwakuwe ngithi thatha inhliziyo yami uzoyiphathe njengeqanda ngikuthandile isithando sami nenhliziyo yami yonke ngikuthandile isithando sami nenhliziyo yami yonke uthando lwami alisoze laphela uthando lwami lohlezi lukhona ngikuthandile mntanomuntu nenhliziyo yami yonke.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark. Finally I can see you crystal clear. Don't hate and make me ignite how in your shed burn. See, I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark.
Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe he's brought me thus far to leave me. Never said there wouldn't be trials, never said I wouldn't fall. Never said that everything would go the way I want them to go. But when my back is against the wall,
Lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Hey, oh, baby, oh, darling. Ooh, baby, I'm lost without you, can't help myself. I'm talking to you, jailer. Stop calling me a prisoner. Let heels without a sin be the first to cast a stone. Mr. Jailer, Mr. Jailer man.
All of you guys here have got what it takes, because you are the Spotlight Season 1's best in Manzini, Nhlangano, Pigspeak, Simunye, and Babane. So whatever the outcome, hold your head up high, knowing that you got what it takes. And you could already use this experience to launch your career. So give yourselves a round of applause. But because this is a competition, we will have to call out the contestants that make it through to the next round. The judges have added up their scores, and we are ready to reveal the Spotlight Top 30. Let's put them on. The very beginning of the competition, this was a rather unique situation where we have a brother and a sister join the competition. So can I have contestant number 1 and number 2 come to the stage? All right, for those of you who may not be, who might not have the 4-on-1 on this situation, these two are actually siblings. Older brother, younger sister. And you guys, when we started, I asked you what will happen in this competition if one of you has to go through and the other one falls back. And you said either way, you would still continue to support one another. Well, the time has come, because my guy only gave me 1 ticket. So, little sister, hold on to this one. But there's a plot twist, because I'm going to ask you to give me another one, because the big brother is also getting a ticket. So congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Njengoba nibona ukuthi eGasbanze kune-talent nelesson kanjalo bonke mhlanyona. Fanele kakhulu. Congratulations, guys. You guys both make it into the top 30 of the Spotlight. Can I have contestants 3 all the way to contestant 10 come to the stage? All right, guys. Once again, well done on your performance here today. Like we said from the very beginning, that this is the performance of your life that will get you through to the next stage. The judges added up their numbers, and contestants 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. You guys are not going through to the next round, but contestant 8 goes through. Thank you guys very much for being a part of season 1 of the Spotlight. We'll see you in season 2. So contestant 12, 14, 15, and 17. You guys came out here, you shared with us your pulse, you let the audience, the judges, and the viewers at home know what you guys are made of. And You know, growing up back in the day, I've always wanted to have this moment right here because I feel like Oprah Winfrey right now because everybody's getting one. You're getting a ticket. You're getting a ticket. You're getting a ticket. You're getting a ticket. Look under your seat. There are no tickets. Sorry, no tickets under your seat. All right. Once again, well done on your performances here today. The judges have added up their scores, and as the saying goes, dynamite comes in small packages. Because, ladies and gentlemen, out of this group of big people, it's the littlest one that walks away with the ticket. Contestant number 22. Congratulations. Thank you guys very much for being a part of the Spotlight Season 1. And we'll see you in the top 30, my man. Contestant 21. Please come up here. Are we good, Ali? Can you forgive me? We okay? What's the only way you can forgive me? What? Ngel-ticket. Kantolela ngel-ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, all right. You guys came here, shared with us your pulse. You gave it everything. The judges added up their numbers. And not because it's Women's Month, but contestants 25, 26, and 24. You get your tickets, contestant number 23. Thank you very much for being a part of this competition. I know it's been a long day. It's been a long wait. So let me not keep you guys waiting any further. Contestant 27, 29, 32, and 30. You guys will not make it through to the next round. So contestant 33 and 28. Congratulations, guys. You guys are through to the top 30 of the Spotlight. $34, $35, $36, $37, $38. Please come up to the stage. All right, guys. The contestants that walk away with a ticket, we have contestant number 35. Come get it, girl. Come on, get it. $36. And contestant number 38. The rest of you guys, thank you very much for being a part of the contest. Hope to see you next season. Whew. The Spotlight is hot, man. All right, can I have contestant number 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45? All right, so didn't make it through in the Manzini audition, followed us all the way to Smunye, got his yellow ticket, and today he's through to the top 30. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Since you're really like right here next to me. Contestant number 41, ladies and gentlemen. Easily the goofiest contestant in this here competition. Kept dropping her number, now she doesn't even know it. Easy. Girl, you might have dropped your number, but you kept your talent going. So congratulations, you're through to the top 30 as well. And then, this is not payback because earlier on I gave only the girls and then one guy. But now I'm going to give the one guy. Ladies, thank you very much. So who do I have here? 46, 47, 48, and 49. All right. So, let's count backwards. Contestant 49, how do you feel? Hold on. Hang on now. How do you feel? Do you feel you deserve the ticket? Do you think you did well enough for you to get a ticket today? You sure? All right. The judges think so too. So here's your ticket. $48. Step up. You came through with the bars. Even when we met you in Hlangano, today you were even more polished. And I personally went to the judges and said, if this guy doesn't go through, and they know my I didn't even have to explain what that means. So congratulations, you two are through to the top 30. One man. Now we have the two gentlemen standing right here next to me, contestant 47 and 46. You guys came through, gave it your all. The judges added up their numbers, and they strongly felt that contestant 47, you deserve to go through. And man, thank you very much for being a part of the competition. We appreciate you. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this here part of the show. Thank you very much once again for being a part of the brightest talent search in the land. We're looking forward to seeing you in season 2 of the Spotlight, where we're going to put you on. Thank you.